What's up, guys? It's Leroy with Happy Trailers, and today I've got Cade with me from Diamond C Trailers. I've got a few questions for him. We've all been hearing a little bit about this Pacesetter Edition from Diamond C. Tell me a little bit about what that means and what the Pacesetter is.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's something that we did. We wanted to bundle some products together that are really popular from our customers based on feedback and data that we've gathered over the years. And it's a way to streamline the ordering process and also save you money, right?
Nice.
That's something the customer cares about. But also it's good for our dealers because when you're stocking inventory, sometimes it can be overwhelming. We have so many options on our trailers and you may not know which ones are the best to select, right? So
Absolutely.
this is a way that you get our best options, but you're also saving money, right? And it's better for you and the customer.
Very nice. We've got one right here behind us. Let's check it out. All right, so behind us, we've got the FMAX216. This is the hydraulic dovetail. Cade, tell me a little bit about which of these options are Pacesetters.
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the first ones is our solar panel here. This is something that a lot of people don't think about. They think that it's really not worth it, but this is a small thing that adds a ton of value.
Absolutely. I agree with you 100%. It's oftentimes overlooked, but it's a small thing that just keeps your battery charged. And there's so many issues that can come up just because of a low battery. So this saves all of that.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the next things is our hydraulic jacks. This is something that once you use once, oh man, it's a game changer, right? Like I do not want to have to use my manual jacks after you do something like this, especially if you're using it all the time, hooking and unhooking.
I love that this is just a fully hydraulic trailer. You've got the hydraulic dovetail in the back and hydraulic jacks in the front. Everything is push button, one and done.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the next things that we have is our additional lights. This is something that can help you if you're in the dark, right? This is something that is a game changer if you're having to do any kind of things when the sun's going down.
Believe me, I've loaded in the dark one time and I wish I would have had these. It's definitely nice.
Yeah, absolutely. The people that are using our trailers, typically they're working early in the morning too, right?
That's right.
Because as you know, in this Texas heat, a little hot.
What are you talking about?
Another thing that we have is 8 additional lights that go down the side. That is something that, again, can't have too many lights when you're working, like we said, in dark conditions.
Yes, those additional lights are crucial.
One of the last things I want to talk about on this Pacesetter Edition is our extra storage. You can never have enough storage, right?
Absolutely not. That's right.
All the change and everything that you have to have, there's never enough storage that you can have on a trailer.
The front toolbox is great, but it gets filled up so quickly.
Yep.
This is something that we add to trailers so many times, so it's great to just have it as a standard option. It's going to come from the factory that way.
Absolutely.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the options that are standard on the Pacesetter Edition. Thanks for showing us around a little bit, Cade. Yeah. This is the FMAX, of course. Are there any other models that have the Pacesetter Edition available?
Yeah, absolutely. So our FMAX210, 212, and 216 are available in Pacesetter. Also, our small dump, our MDT.
Yes.
And pretty soon, I think we're going to have some other models.
So we may see a lot of Pacesetters in the near future.
Could be.
I like it. I like it a lot. Well, thanks again, Cade. If you guys have any other questions, hit up any of our dealerships, give me a call. We'd be happy to help you go through your next Pacesetter Edition. And in the words of Jacob Crabb, we'll see you on the road.